Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore one of the main important topic from the CSS properties, which is Flexbox. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future update. Now let's get started. Yes, now you can see I have created flex part1.html file in my CSS folder, and let's know more about what is Flexbox. So Flexbox we generally use to create responsive layouts for our HTML structures without using any float or positions properties. So let's see how we can actually apply this. For that, I'll be creating few boxes. With that help, we can see how we can apply the flex box. Yes. So now you can see on my screen, I have created few boxes. And the structure for HTML structure, we can see one container we have, and we have different like cards. Okay, so multiple divs we have with the class name as card. So for this card, I have applied width and height, background color, as well as margin to get some space between the card. Okay, if I comment on nothing, I can see the space and all. So that's why I have applied margin. Then border radius to have this curves over there in the corners, and box shadow as the same color which I have applied for the background. Okay, so let's see how we can apply display flex, okay, or flex box property. So in order to do that, we need to see every time in the structure that we are targeting the parent, not the child. Okay, so right now you can see the container div is the parent for the cards. Okay, so that's how we have to do. So for the container we have to apply that. Okay, so let's go here and let's apply the property flexbox. So in order to apply the flexbox property, we have to use display and then flex. Okay, now you see we are going to get like this. So with this, what is happening is earlier we are getting all the content uh, after like one first it's coming in the next line, one more it's coming, so like that it's there. So with the flex box you can change the direction of the content. Okay, so let's activate again the display flex and open into the browser instead of that previewer. Okay, so this is how it will going to look. Okay, and one more property which we have, with the help of that we can change the direction as well. Okay, so flex direction property we can use to change the direction. By default, once you use display flex, right, that time it will activate the row, but if you want again the column, right, so you can use this column. Okay, then it will look like this again, it will going to come as this. Okay, but by default it will be having the flex direction row. Okay, whenever you apply display flex property. Yes, now you can see I have added numbers inside the boxes and I have reduced the width as well. And for those numbers, what I have done is like font size and the text center I have applied, and the color as well. And this here I have applied the 1 2 3 to 8, all the numbers for the cards. Okay, so let's see few of the other properties which we have inside the flex direction. Okay, so I'll activate this. Right now it's like row. If you want column, you can do column, and there are other properties like column reverse. Okay, so it will reverse the whatever series we have, and it will reverse in the column wise. Okay, so if I just done do this, it will be like 1 2 to 8, and if I remove the reverse, it will like 1 to 8. Okay, if you do reverse, it will start from 8 and end with 1. Okay, similar to this we have row reverse. Okay, so it will start from 8 and end with 1, but it will move to the right side. Okay, let's open in the browser as well, we can see over here. So it's moving over here. Okay, and let's apply the again column reverse, and let's see in the browser as well how it's looking over there. You see 8 to 1, but with the column, right now we don't have 100% height of this screen. That's why we are getting from here. If we have 100 vh for our container, right, that time it will hit the bottom as well. Okay, so height 100 vh if I take, right, so now 100 vh in the sense whole height of the screen we have. and we can see from here it's starting, but the series starts from 8, 7, 6, 5, like that. Okay, so this is how Flexbox will work, and this is how the flex direction we can change of the content which we have. Okay, so this is about Flexbox and the how we can apply flex and also the flex direction. But this is just a part one, so I have started with the simple thing. But in the next video, we are going to learn more about Flexbox and more properties which comes in the Flexbox. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.